Hello guys, today I am here to tell you about new module sell order delivery status. First of all, need to install module in app sections. So go to the app sections and install sell order delivery status here. This module is already installed in our environment. This module is used for user can see delivery status on sell order like nothing to deliver, waiting, partially delivered, delivered and cancel. This is the 5 status of delivery status, and this is the way for print delivery status on sell order. So go to the functionality. I am showing you all functionality of this module. So go for sell order and create quotation. Here I am create quotation with 2 products. Here I am add 2 products and save it. Here go to the other information, and here you can see the delivery status, and here you can see the nothing to deliver because of this sell order is in quotation state. If confirm this sell order and see the delivery status is going in waiting state. If you can validate this delivery, then it's validated, and then go to the delivery status. It is delivery status is delivered. If go to done, one picking is done. If add another new product, and save it. Here you can see delivery is 3. 1 is cancelled, 2nd is done, and 3rd is in waiting. Then the delivery status is partially delivered because 1 delivery is cancelled, 2nd is done, and 3rd is in waiting. If you can validate this, here you can validate this picking, then all are done, 1 is cancelled and 3rd is done. So here you can see the delivery status is delivered. If you can go to the delivery and cancel it, and go to the other quotations, confirm this. Here you can see cost delivery, and here you can see the delivery status is in waiting because this delivery is not a validated. Here it is called waiting. If you can cancel this, then the delivery status will be displayed as a cancel. Here you can see cancel. So these 5 types of status is display on sell order. This is all about sell order delivery status. If you want to more updates about videos, then you can subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.